Welcome back to the channel and this video update for you guys on Cardano. So currently trading at 27 cents Cardano, and it's looking like it is in the middle of a pullback. Looking quite positive, and from top to bottom of this move, 17% on Cardano. So not only that, we've been trading in a bit of a descending channel, and we had a nice break from this descending channel here. And we were creating a series of lower lows and lower highs until ultimately we created the new high here. So that's positive, although on the macro term, we're still in the midst of a bearish move. So this is the area that we need to regain. This is the area we need to retake. And in the longer term, I want to see us break in the 33 cent level before we can get any kind of reversal and any kind of confirmation that this is the actual bottom for the mid to long term. So what we could do, pop a Fibonacci, and we'll get some targets here at what we're looking for. What do we need to hold? We know the 618 is always what we need to hold. We can pop this channel back in there. So does that coincide with anything? We can come back down. This is the daily chart. So this is going to play out over a case of a few days. So if we come back down over a period of a few days, we can actually get down, retest this area here on the 618, and then we can retest the previous high, hopefully create a new high and continue our move to the upside. This is ultimately the key area we need to take, and this is probably going to play out over a few weeks rather than a few days. And I mean, if we just pop in, this is where patience is key. This is more investment than trading. So if we just pop in there, if it did take that length of time, you're looking at a period of 18 days, so a few weeks there. What we'll do is we'll pop in an extension, see if we've got any additional confluence with our areas. Swing low, swing high, back to the low. Look at that, 618. 618 is definitely going to add. That's going to act as strong resistance going forward. We've got our structure shelf here, where it was previously strong support for a long period of time. We expect that to act as resistance. And from this move here, if this is the top, the 618 is just going to add as additional complements that this move is going to hold, and we're going to act as resistance, strong resistance at this level. So what's the indicators telling us? One thing, you can see that we did have a divergence here. It's already played out, and that's why we got the move to the upside. So got higher low on the RSI, lower low price action, and ultimately that's what happened is you got this huge move to the upside here on the back of that. So that's the divergence playing out. Cross now on the stochastics. So you're expecting that price action is telling us we're looking like having a pullback. Stochastics telling us it's looking like we're having a pullback, and the RSI is entering overbought territory. So we've got to respect that, and we've got to look for the pullback, and that's what we need to hold here. This key level around about the 25 cent mark is the area that we need to hold, make a new higher low, and then create a new higher high. So that's what I'm looking for on Cardano, guys. It's looking quite bullish in the short term. Overall, in the higher macro term, we're in the midst of a bearish move. So remember that. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and goodbye.